Alright, let's see what's new. Let me just check my channel. 29 views, not bad. Oh yeah, the Super Bowl's coming up. Let me see what I should make. Oh, I know, I'll make nachos.
To start, fill up a bowl halfway with Dorito.
Add 3 cheese slices to the cup.
Pour 2 spoons or 1 tablespoon of milk. Microwave the cup for 30 seconds. After you take it out, stir the cheese to make sure it's melted. Then, drizzle the cheese onto the Doritos. After that, add about 4 to 5 spoons of sour cream on top.
Drizzle some Frank's Red Hot / Cholula.
For the final step, add some green onions.
And there are your nachos.
Alright, so to complement the food, we're going to be making some drinks. For this, we're going to be making a Shirley Temple, which is 1 part Sprite and 1 part Grenadine.
It's pretty good. Honestly, I'm adding this in over here.
Hey guys, welcome to the ASMR channel.
It's not bad. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.